Hey guys, I'm Anne and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you might want to subscribe to my channel and learn some makeup techniques. So today I will teach you on how to do an easy and quick eyebrows. So there are different kind of eyebrows. There's this bushy ones, there's this more flick or drawing eyebrows, but personally I really want to have that natural brow, especially for my clients. So today, here's the technique you might want to try to achieve natural brows. So I will be using a pencil eyebrows because this is the most convenient tool to use for a beginner like you. So first, we need to determine where to start your eyebrows. So by doing this, so we need to put the mark. So this is where we start the brows. And then sliding this pencil, passing through your pupils, and then kung saan siya naglaland, doon yung arc mo. So this is your arc. So kailangan natin siyang lagyan ng mark. So pag ganun. So kailangan harap mo yung mirror whenever you do this para hindi ano yung arc mo. Nasa tamang place siya. Ganon. Yan. And then, kung where it ends, iganin mo lang siya. Passing through this. Here. So, dito siya mag-i-end. Yan. So, once okay na siya, na-determine na natin, i-connect na natin yung dots. So, slowly lang, hindi masyadong madiin, para ka lang nagdo-draw sa air. Igaganyan natin siya. Connecting here. Ayan. So, tama ba? Okay. So, dito naman sa taas. So, basically, nag-outline lang ako. So, dito yung arc, pass straight doon. I-connect mo lang siya. Then, shade it. Ayan. Hanggang dito ka lang mag-shade. Huwag mo nang lagyan ng products dito. Huwag mo nang lagyan ng product dito. I-brush mo lang siya. Okay? Yan, diba? So, same thing dito sa kabilang eyes mo. And that's it. Ganyan lang siya kasimple. So, pwede din mag cotton buds kayo to clean the sides. So, mas malinis na siya. Linisin mo lang siya here. Yan. Then, dito. Para hindi masyadong arc. Ayan! May brows na tayo! So, I hope you learned something for today. And I will appreciate if you will send me your brows using this technique kung naka-learn ba talaga kayo. So, please like the video if you like it, of course, and subscribe to my channel. So that's it.